haven't watched my previous video where I share the reasons why sleep is super important for achieving your fitness goals, you can find the link in the description below. And today I'm going to share how you can actually improve your sleep step by step. The first thing you need to do is actually develop a sleeping routine. You need to prepare for sleep at least 1 hour before bed. Sleeping routine is different for different persons, and you can listen to some really calm and nice music. You can do meditation, you can read a book, you can just take a warm bath. You decide what you like to do. Just make sure you're not on your laptop, your phone, your tablet, computer, and there are no any EMF, electromagnetic fields around you. Make sure you limit your blue light exposure, because blue light messes up with melatonin synthesis. And if you limit your blue light exposure, your exposure to blue light, and still have difficulties falling asleep, then you might think of taking melatonin. You might also think about taking magnesium, which is going to further calm your muscles and nervous system, and thus help you improve your sleep quality. You should also think about limiting caffeine until earlier part of the day, because even if you can easily fall asleep, caffeine intake later in the day can disrupt your late night sleep stages. Even if you easily fall asleep, even though you have drunk caffeine later in the day, caffeine later in the day actually can disrupt your late night stages of sleep, and you can find yourself waking up at 3 or 4 a.m. without falling asleep again. You can also try lavender oil and putting just 1 drop on your pillow and below your pillow. This really helps with the deep sleep, so you're going to not only fall asleep but have a really nice and deep sleep without disruptions. Another thing that might help you with your quality of sleep is if you limit your liquids, your water intake until earlier the night before, just because you don't want to wake up and go to the bathroom a couple of times. You should also make sure that the temperature in your room is not too hot or not too cold. You like something between 18 and 20 degrees. In addition to all of these steps, you might also buy white noise machine, because white noise is proven to really help with relaxation and good night's sleep. The last thing you should do is to figure out whether you feel better or not with carbohydrates at your dinner. You should also figure out at what time fits you best to have your dinner, because your body is going to be busy with digestion if you eat directly before going to bed. But there are people who feel much better when they have a big part of carbohydrates at their dinner time, because carbohydrates relieve stress and thus make them feel calm and make it easier for them to fall asleep. Here you should experiment and find out on your own whether you feel better with carbs or not, and at what time of the evening you feel best to have your dinner.